As the beat drop, damn it, I'ma start it. You probably got bars, but I'm an alcoholic, and I'm about to polish this track too flawless.
This for really the IP of artists who work and not feed them. Paula, pass me the black paper, yeah?
You don't see me under the floor. Pass it yourself. My belly a tell me say no linger.
Good day, Mr. Hype, and how are you doing today?
I'm okay. Just kind of busy in the studio, doing some work. It gets kind of hard sometimes, you know?
Does it? Well, I have a complaint here of disturbing the peace. You know anything about that?
No, I was inside my house minding my own business.
Okay, listen. Just tell your friends to keep it down. This neighborhood not used to all of that excitement. And another thing, is there a goat on the premises?
Goat. Apart from the meat in the fridge, no goat.
Well, I have a complaint here from a Mr. Weatherburn that you have a goat roaming the neighborhood freely. Now that's against the law, particularly in these parts.
Only goats in these parts live next door.
It's very clear that you and your mother are incapable of coexisting in these parts. The goat is here. Don't let them lie to you, officer. Don't let them lie.
Mr. Weatherburn, please. You've made your case. I'll take it from here. Mr. Hype, is there a goat here, yes or no?
I had a goat, but I sold it to a restaurant.
You sure?
I'm sure.
I don't want to get another complaint about any goat, puss, dog, not even a mosquito. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Okay.